Today you're going to learn about the isInstance function in Python, but first, if you're trying to learn to code, hit that subscribe button for daily beginner-friendly coding videos. The isInstance function tells you if an object is an instance of a particular class. Well, what the heck is an instance? To say A is an instance of B, that would mean A is an example of B. For example, you could say the number 5 is an instance of the int class in Python, meaning 5 is an example of an int. If you pass multiple classes as a tuple, it tells you if the object belongs to at least one of those classes. For example, 5 is an instance of an int, so isInstance returns true even though 5 is not an instance of a str. If the object is an example of its parent class, it will also return true. In Python, everything has a parent class of object, so isInstance would return true in the example because 5 is an instance of an object. The happy path works like I described at the beginning of the video. 5 is an instance of an int, so isInstance returns true. If you found this video helpful, I would appreciate it if you press the like button, as it helps the video get shown to more people just like you. If you want to learn more of Python's built-in methods, I have a playlist you can click into right now. Otherwise, ciao.